Once upon a time in the bustling city of Dreamscape, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was an ambitious and determined individual, constantly seeking new challenges and pushing herself to reach greater heights. However, as the year 2023 began, Maya found herself facing a severe lack of motivation. The weight of expectations, the monotony of daily routines, and the uncertainties of the world had dampened her spirit. Feeling lost and disheartened, Maya embarked on a journey to rediscover her motivation and reignite the fire within her. She sought guidance from a wise mentor who led her to a secluded mountain retreat. It was here that she would learn the secrets of staying motivated in the year ahead. As Maya ventured into the serene mountains, she encountered a series of challenges designed to test her perseverance and determination. She scaled treacherous cliffs, crossed raging rivers, and endured harsh weather conditions. Despite the physical and mental strain, Maya refused to give up. With every obstacle she overcame, her motivation grew stronger. One evening, as the sun set behind the mountains, Maya came across a wise old sage. The sage, known for his profound wisdom, sat peacefully by a roaring bonfire. Intrigued, Maya approached him and poured out her heart, sharing her struggles and her quest for motivation. The sage listened attentively, his eyes filled with compassion. He understood Maya's dilemma and began sharing his insights with her. He spoke of the power of purpose, urging Maya to reflect on her true passions and desires. He explained that when we align our goals with our deepest aspirations, motivation becomes an unwavering force within us. The sage also emphasized the importance of self-care and nourishing the mind, body, and soul. He taught Maya various mindfulness techniques, meditation practices, and positive affirmations to cultivate a resilient and motivated mindset. He encouraged her to surround herself with supportive and inspiring individuals who would uplift and encourage her on her journey. As days turned into weeks, Maya imbibed the sage's teachings and embraced the challenges she faced. She discovered that motivation was not a fleeting emotion, but a conscious choice she could make every day. Maya understood that setbacks and obstacles were part of the journey, and that they only fueled her determination to keep moving forward. With renewed vigor and a clear vision in her heart, Maya returned to the City of Dreams.